Ladies and gentlemen, we're here live. We're back here at ACWF. And now we're about to give you guys a show tonight, and we're gonna find out who's about to come out. I got news in the back. Oh God, is it who I think it is? Oh no, I recognize this theme. Yep, it's definitely. Again, we're in the back. They're in the house tonight. Here we go. They're Picklez and Kosher. And my goodness, these guys, they are something else. Please don't make me get excited. You know, I don't know too much about these guys. Hey, looks like the circus in town.
Now it's Kosher!
Alright, well here we go. Alright, guess we're about to see who they're facing. I'm getting word of it back. Oh. Oh my goodness. We saw him at Immortality. Ladies and gentlemen, he has been putting up a fight. However, Last Blood, there he is. We're about to see what he's going to do tonight. Last Blood has been putting up some good matches lately. And tonight, we're about to see, wait, alright, here we go. Oh my goodness, I forgot. His tag team partner after Immortality, he was his tag team partner at Immortality. Luger was the best of the champions and he's his own man. Does this mean he's part of ACWF now? I don't know. What I do know, they look like one hell of a tag team. We're about to see what they can put on tonight. And man, at Immortality, they put up a fight. We're about to see what's going to happen here tonight. Right here at ACWF, the show is about to begin. The first match is about to be on the way. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how we put on shows for you guys, for the fans. Okay, here we go. I don't know what's going on here, but we're getting ready.
You want my horn?
Yeah.
That's not Kosher.
I don't care.
I don't know too much about these clowns, but I do know they're creeping me out.
My horn.
However,
Yeah.
this is wrestling.
Yeah, Kosher.
We got white characters in this federation. However, I'm so excited to see this match. I do not know what to expect. But all I do know is you never know what can happen next. It's going to be awesome. Last Blood, he's awesome.
Kosher.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
I'm Picklez. That's not Kosher. I'm Kosher.
Let's do it. You ready?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Get ready to start the match. The bell's on the way. Ding, ding, ding. The bell's just run, and the match is on. Les Luger with a nice grab hold with an upper knee cut against Kosher. Getting a nice remove by Les Luger. However, what a nice submission there by Les Luger. I don't know what Kosher's saying. It's hard to understand a word he's saying. But he is quite interesting. He's been up against a lot of people in this federation. And here goes Les Luger with a nice strange little couldn't really tell there. The rep was in the way, but that's okay. We'll move on this side.
Tap.
No.
There's no.
Left Luger got Kosher in the hold there.
Talk to me, Kosher.
And here we go.
Talk to him.
And Les Luger is showing some upper strength lately. He's very impressive. And he's got a lot of matches, a lot of wins and a lot of lose. Picklez just grabbed the leg of Kosher. They're not supposed to do that in a tag match, I'm not sure, but oh boy, here we go. Picklez is in the ring. That was a stupid move from Picklez, and Les Luger just showed him who was boss. This is a wrestling match, damn it. It's not a circus. However, this is what we're talking about. What a nice maneuver there by Les Luger. Here goes the tag. Last Blood's in the ring. Big late drop on Picklez's neck. Les Luger's out of the ring. Last Blood, Picklez are in the ring. Inside the ring now. And here we go. A nice, what a nice flying jump hit there by Last Blood. A lot of upper ability. He's like a real superhero. He's got that momentum. But anyway, let's focus on the match. Jeez, I did not see that coming. Very awkward from coming from Picklez. It looks like he came back a little bit smarter, I guess. Look at that. I don't think I've ever seen Picklez this violent before. Or this smart, what I mean. What in the world? Whoa! What a nice reversal by Last Blood, taking Picklez down. And he took him down. Over the top, and down you go. And Picklez is in the hot seat right now. Last Blood, oh, Picklez! You know, I'll tell you what, Last Blood is really interesting. And here we go, would this be it?
1,
2 count. There's a 2 count. I called it. I knew it. Nice try though. It was pretty good so far.
Do it for America.
So right now, it looks like, what the? Picklez reversed that to DDT. Jeez. That was probably by far the scariest move I've seen lately what Picklez ever done. You know, I don't know too much about Picklez. He has not been seen that much, I don't think. Put this be over. Nope. A nice 1 count. You gotta do better than that, Picklez. Last Blood is a lot smarter. But nice try though. Oh, here we go. Together. Well, my goodness. Oh, Lord. What? I did not see that coming. It happens. It happens. We make it tag. Oh, my goodness. I thought that was over. What a nice hit out by Last Blood. Oh, God. Okay. Picklez is creeping me out. I think I'll, Jeez. Kosher hitting him in the stomach there. Looks like Picklez, Picklez, looks like Kosher. I get mixed up with these clowns, man. They look all the same. Les Luger waiting patiently like a road champ. And Last Blood reversed the move on Neil, Kosher. And a nice hit right in the chest. Sorry for my commentating, I'm learning. And a nice headbuster there. A bulldog. And there goes the tag by Last Blood, and Les Luger's back into the ring. Kosher's down in the hot seat. And an elbow drop by Les Luger. Here goes the pin. Put this be over. Almost. That was almost a 3 count. Very nice. What is he doing? That's not your partner, Kosher. That is. I have no idea. But tell you what, sometimes I'm weird about these clowns. You know what? I don't want to go.
1, 2.
All I do know, they terrify me. A nice removal there by Les Luger, getting Kosher's neck there. Put him in the net hold. Head, harm. Yeah.
Kosher.
Here we go.
Talk to me.
This be it right here.
Hey.
What?
Looks like this could be over if it hasn't really done. Oh, wait.
What?
Kosher get back up. I don't know what. Never mind. Anyway, yeah. Whoa. My goodness. What a remover. Wow. Nice. Suplex by Kosher. Well, Luger's in the hot seat. What's he doing? Oh my goodness. What? That's the weirdest attack I have ever seen.
Kosher, come on, out of the ring. Come on, get out.
I kind of wonder what the name of their shirt is. And these guys are very tricky sometimes. You never know what the hell they're going to do next. Looks like Picklez is really taking advantage of Les Luger here. And pretty smart. He's taking the upper advantage. And that's what you want to do, to take your opponent down and be able to win. This could be it. Nope. A nice 2 count. That was close, Picklez, but not that close.
I'm a spoon Coca-Cola.
I don't know. I think he said it's time to poop. I have no idea what that was. But here we go. Okay.
I'm good.
Last blood is hearing on Les Luger. Here we go. Wow. I'll tell you what. That was pretty impressive by Les Luger. And like I said, oh no, not again. Are you kidding me? What a nice remover there. What's going on here? I don't know what is happening. I just missed it. Trying to put this on the mat. 1, 2. Oh, it was a 1. It was a 1. Yeah, nice. There we go. Had last blood is back in the ring. And looks like they're doing teamwork. Attack teamwork. Oh, yes, never not. Oh, wow. Last blood said, get out of the ring, Les Luger. I got you, pal. They make one hell of a tag team right now, and oh boy. Whoa! Nice! That was a nice move by Last Blood. A crossbody over Picklez. You see that coming, you just never know. Oh, wait! We know what this is! Wow! I just love that special.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wow. There you go. Wow. Last Blood has proven himself here. Wait, what's going on?
What? Kosher, you.
I'm so confused what's going on.
America won.
It's over. Last Blood win. Are you kidding me?
No, it was 3, Kosher. Match is over.
Blood, let's go.
You're winners. Last Blood.
Good job. What a good match that was by Last Blood and Les Luger.
This is just the beginning.
There you go.
America will stand tall. America will stand against any of these idiots in ACWF. We are the ACWF true tag team, and we're coming for those belts. Last time was just a mistake, but America will come back stronger than ever.
You heard it from the Last Blood and Les Luger. Well, I don't know what's going on here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was your match. Starting off with the day. Just stay tuned. Oh my goodness. We'll be right back right after the commercial break. Right here at ACWF.